Understanding, Hang in the Balance, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or conversations: hang in the balance. Understanding idioms like this one is key to mastering the English language, as they can add depth and nuance to your conversations. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and see how you can use it in your daily English communication. The phrase, hang in the balance, is used to describe a situation that is uncertain or undecided. It refers to a moment where the outcome is unknown and could go either way. Imagine a scale with two sides, where both sides are equally weighted and you're waiting to see which side will tip. This visual is a perfect metaphor for a situation hanging in the balance. The future outcome is suspended in uncertainty, just like the scale waiting for a slight weight to tip the balance. While the exact origin of hang in the balance is difficult to pinpoint, it draws from the imagery of scales, which have been used throughout history in various cultures to symbolize justice, decision-making, and measuring weight. This idiom likely evolved from the visual and conceptual representation of scales as instruments that determine outcomes based on weight or evidence, embodying the idea of deliberation and undecided fate. To truly grasp the meaning of hang in the balance, let's look at some examples. 1. In a legal context, the defendant's fate hangs in the balance as the jury deliberates. 2. In personal decisions, after the job interview, my future with the company hung in the balance. 3. In global events, as negotiations continue, the peace treaty hangs in the balance. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, from personal decisions to global events, emphasizing the suspense and uncertainty of outcomes. Use this idiom to describe situations where the outcome is critical and yet to be determined. It's perfect for adding drama or highlighting the importance of a decision or event. Remember, this phrase is versatile but best used in contexts where there is a genuine uncertainty about the future. And that wraps up our exploration of hang in the balance. Idioms like this enrich our language and make it more vivid and expressive. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use hang in the balance in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to hang your doubts in the balance of our community discussions below. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.